Welcome to Emilio Aguinaldo College Cavite's School of Medical Technology, where excellence in education meets innovation and collaboration. Our very functional laboratories are equipped with advanced learning tools, including a molecular biology laboratory, clinical laboratory, science equipment, and animal house. Our collaborative teaching mentorship model, developed during the Dean's postdoctoral training at Florida State University, ensures personalized guidance and a robust learning environment. Our faculty members are leaders in both academia and industry, recognized nationally and internationally for their prolific research. Under the leadership of our esteemed Dean, a recipient of the Most Outstanding Medical Technologies Award by PAMIT and PRC, we continually strive for excellence. With partnership from SHED-accredited hospitals, our students benefit from both actual and virtual simulations, enhancing their practical skills. Our dedication to quality education is reflected in our average licensure exam results, which have surpassed the national passing rate for the past 4 years. We are proud to have produced a board top-notcher showcasing the caliber of our graduates. And now we offer an exclusive review center for EAC Cavite MedTech interns, providing tailored preparation for their future careers. This is EAC Cavite's Medical Technology Program, where we empower the next generation of medical technologists through innovative education and unwavering support.